Finding cheap airfare online can be a daunting task, but there are a few strategies that can help you save money on your next flight. Number 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. Prices for flights can vary depending on the day of the week and time of year, so consider being flexible with your travel dates to find the best deals. Number 2. Use fare comparison websites. Websites like Kayak, Expedia, and Orbitz allow you to compare prices from multiple airlines, making it easy to find the cheapest option. Number 3. Sign up for email alerts. Many airlines and travel websites offer email alerts for special deals and discounts, so make sure to sign up for alerts from the airlines you frequently fly with. Number 4. Check multiple airports in your destination area. Prices for flights can vary depending on the departure and arrival airports, so make sure to check prices for multiple airports in the area to find the best deal. Number 5. Book flights in advance. Prices for flights tend to increase closer to the departure date, so try to book your flight as far in advance as possible to get the best deal. By following these strategies, you can find cheap airfare online and save money on your next flight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more travel, fun, and luxury.